Some of the people, they are living in competition, in pressure. That person saw their next door sending their children in private school, and you want to send your child in private school. You don't afford to pay that school fees sometimes. You understand? You are guys, you have got pressure because your salary, you understand? Your salary doesn't not enough to sending your children in private school. Some of the people, they are sending their children in private school, they don't have a house. That person is renting. You understand? You are sending your children in expensive private school. You don't have a house. Even at village, you don't have a one room. You understand? You are sending your children in private school. You are paying expensive school fees. Guys, sometimes you have to see your pocket, because maybe you saw your next door sending their children in private school. You want to send your children in private school, just of competition, to say people to say you have got a high class life. You understand? But in sometimes the guys, you have to sow your life, because you don't have a house. You understand? You don't have a stand, but you are sending your children in expensive private school. You are living in pressure. Some of the people, guys, buying expensive cars. That person, but he doesn't have a house. He is renting. They are renting, but they have got expensive cars. Guess in expensive cars like Range Rover, Lamborghini. Those cars, what they want more fuel. You understand? More diesel. And guys, sometimes you have to look at your pocket. You don't have a house, but you are sending your children in expensive private school. It's yes, guys, to send a child in private school, that child end up failing at school. You understand? Especially, guys, you are sending a child, that child is in grade R or grade 1. You understand? It's better you are sending a child who is in grade 9 or grade 12, because that person is in metric. You understand? Guys, it's yes that you are sending a child in private school. You guys, sometimes in that child ending up failing again, you will be depressed sometimes. You understand? And you don't have a sense. Sometimes you have to start to build a home before sending children in expensive schools, because you saw your next doors sending children to private schools. Especially women, guys. Women, we have got pressure sometimes, because you are sending a child in expensive private school. You don't have even a house. You don't have even your own home. You are renting, and that place you are renting is so expensive. Instead of renting a cheap house, you understand, you are saying to send your children in public school. In South Africa, there is public schools. You understand? That money you have to save and buy cement and build a house. It's better than guys. Some of the people, they want high class life, they don't afford sometimes.